This is a unboxing of the Moment photo case for Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in walnut wood color. Okay, that's honestly a weak piece of tape. Like, if someone really wanted to steal that, this piece of tape could be easily taken off. Oh, they had a second one at the bottom. It's almost like that did nothing. Got it off Amazon. A lot of the reviews said that it came scratched, but mainly just the box came scratched and a little dented from shipping. I don't know why they're complaining about that, but I don't know. The wood actually feels pretty nice. Don't think it's actually wood, though. Photo case. Long time for picture take. Long live the picture taker. Ugh. Can't read. Moment. It fits perfectly. I think, yeah, perfectly on the Note 8, and it does not obstruct the USB port. So if you have a SanDisk USB drive or a device like this USB drive, it will fit perfectly. It also includes a Let's Get Started guide telling you to put on the case and how to screw it in. Let's get lost. Okay. Inspirational image shot on Moment. This is a piece of cardboard. This is not actually a book. And this is a piece of styrofoam with paper on it. Kind of cool. This is how you put the box back together. You slide it on just as you would take it out. And that is another unboxing. Yet another unboxing.